digital presence is your first impression, right? And this is something that, especially as you go up into, upper parts of mid law all the way to, the top big law firms, we've been resting on our names, our brand name, right? And not really paying too much attention to how do we show up not from a non-branded perspective, and how is our visibility, actually, how are we being perceived in the marketplace? Because again, oh, we're the biggest and baddest firm that does X, everybody knows who we are. The game has changed. The buyer is more savvy. The folks that are decision makers are doing their research on off hours, and they're doing it quietly when they have a free moment because the day is crazy, and they're going to do the research when they can. And where are they going to go? AI tools and Google. Competitors are gaining ground while you're focused elsewhere, and that is something that firms will create content in the shiny object. There's a lot of alerts going out. There's a lot of breaking news that everybody's trying to capture. But the reality is, a firm that's focused on a specific strategy, a specific area of growth for the firm, those are the firms that are going to succeed in digital visibility, right? Is keeping your eye on the prize of really what are the people that are interested in hiring us for our services actually searching and looking for. So there's a lot that goes into silent rejection, but the core, function of this, and the core thought process around this is that, again, people are researching you and vetting you before you even know it's happening. So if you don't put your best foot forward and you don't make a great first impression, and it's not just about having a flashy, shiny website, right? It's so much more than that. You need to be viewed as an expert and a leader in the space for them not to decide not to call you.